Hello and welcome back to Colonic tutorial. Today we're going to learn a new topic. In last video we learned about sudo command, okay? Sudo command was useful for permission and security purpose, okay? So today we are going to learn about this top command. Top command is useful whenever we are going to know what are running inside or the background of our Kali Linux, okay? For example, first I'm going to show you this and Windows operating system. This the Windows operating system, Windows 10, okay? Just press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete or skip button, okay? So here you can come to a task manager. In task manager there are the list of all the processes which are running. They are the processes, okay, which are running in my computer operating system Windows 10, okay? So first see here the power recorder which is reserved 8.9 CPU, and this is the memory and disk, okay? So they are the process, okay, that are running in the background. For example, this workstation which are running for now, it is dynamically interchangeable, okay? There is CPU in memory. So for now I'm going to show you like this and call Linux, okay? And call Linux we have the command, okay, because call Linux is a command line. We use command in call Linux, okay? So hit the enter button, top tup, and there are the programs which are run in the background for now in my Kali operating system, okay? Kali Linux operating system. First you can see this is the PID. PID is turned, it's just short of process ID, okay? We will have a comprehensive learning about it, okay? So but not now. In the next lecture, whenever we're going to learn about kill command, this process ID is much usable whenever we're going to terminate some process, okay, or we want to close some process. We use this PID as well as kill command, okay? So for now they are the process which are running. For example, first see the stop command that I entered, okay? So it is, see here, it is a stop command as well as this Zorg command in many commands or process which are on. But remember one thing, that this page is dynamically refreshing after every 3 seconds, okay? For now my real time is 1 in 16. It's 1 in 16, but see here the second, it's going to change after each 3 seconds. For now it is 26, it will get 29 and 32, okay? So if you want to change this time, it's easy, okay? So just press the S button, okay? It will ask me change delay from 3 seconds. For now I'm going to change it to 1 second. After each 1 second it will refresh this page, okay? So hit the enter button. See, this is now changing after each second, okay? Now you can see here 2 0 2 3 4, okay? But if you want to give much time, okay, just hit again this button, and here you can, for example, I'm going to change it to 5 second delay, okay? Just hit enter button, click it. See, it will refresh after 5 seconds, okay? Now we can see it's going to refresh after 5 seconds, okay? It is 26, it will be 31, okay? So if you want to back change it to default time, just hit enter button, press 3, okay? It is the default mode, okay? But if you want to know what the exactly programs are running in the background, the active programs, okay, there are some programs for now they are idle, okay, are now working there. So just press I button, okay? This I button will show us what are the active commands or process which is running. They are the active process. For example, the stop command is zero command is terminal, okay, in which I'm working for now, okay? So if you want to add something new, for example, I'm going to open this file system, okay? There isn't any file system for now, okay? So I'm going to open this file system as well as this desktop. Okay, and I'm going to see here. I'll minimize it. Here's my terminal. This is the top command that I entered. Here is the toner file system. Okay, and this is the desktop. Okay, if you want to terminate from this position, okay, just press K. This K will ask us the PID. PID mean process ID. Okay, so if I want to close or terminate this tuner, okay, it's a tuner desktop. Okay, here you should just enter the process ID. Okay, process ID of this tuner is 1314. Okay, just hit the enter button. Now see, why it not working? I will see this stop. For example, I'm going to quit this terminal. Okay, this stop command. Hit the K button and see this stop 15978. Hit the enter button again. Yeah, the stop command has been terminated. Okay, but if you want to terminate the stop command for another way, just press the Q button. Okay, for now it is okay. In the next lesson we will learn about kill command. Okay, we will have a completely overview of kill command. If you want to learn more about the stop command, just press man. Okay, on top. Okay, you will see there, you will find some flags which use with this stop command. There are some flags. Okay, there are some flags you can see here, and they are the main description you can learn here, and you will, if you're interesting to learn, as I told you, we learn the important things. If you want to for further exploration, you can visit this man. Okay, so for now it is enough. In next video we will learn about kill command. Thanks for watching.